Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. It is everyone's dream to own a beautiful building, and the design of that house needs to be beautiful. Because if the dream house is not as beautiful as the dream, then the matter is very sad. A building house design means more than the front of the house. Before constructing a building house, the site of the house is determined. House design are more beautiful for two-story building house. To make a building house, the design of the house should be done first. And for this my video will be very helpful for you. By watching this video, you can get various ideas to build your dream house. Through this video, I'll show you some design in front of the building house today. Please let me know which design you like best in the comment box. That is why it is request to watch the video till the end. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Be well everyone and take care of all the family. Thank you.